just click on the Windows search icon and type in sound. And then click on the sound settings, and here, when this loads, we can first make sure that we select our right output device. In my case, that's the Raccoon SB1 headset. And then at the volume section, make sure that this isn't set to 0 and that you didn't mute it, so that this icon looks like this and not like this. And we can click into our device. And here we need to also make sure that the format is set to the best quality. So the more hertz, the better. Just select the best quality. And down here, I would always make sure that this option here is disabled. The enhance audio option turn to off, because it'll also turn off if you experience sound issues. So yeah, just turn it off. Back to sound. The same thing for your input device. Make sure that you selected the right input device, and at volume make sure that this isn't set to 0 and that you aren't muted again. And then down here at the advanced section, click on more sound settings, and here switch over to the recording tab, and then again select whatever mic you're using and click on properties. And here change to levels. Again, make sure that this isn't set to 0 and that you aren't muted here. And at the advanced section, again, the format also for your mic, use the best quality, in my case 48,000 Hertz. And at the exclusive mode, turn both of these settings on. So just set both of these marks here, and then just click on apply and click on OK. And click on OK. And then we can already go to the last setting. Again, in the advanced section, click on volume mixer. And here you've got two options. Either you just use the standard output and the input device, so just select here whatever device you want to use in GTA 5 voice chat, or you can use a specific output and input device only for GTA 5, but yeah, it makes things a lot more complicated, so it would just advise you to use your standard input and output device on the top here and set it the right way. Yes, that's already it. Your voice chat in GTA should be working again. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, also leave a comment, and we will surely find a solution, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.